started a YouTube last night.
Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, YouTube.
Your favorite person started a YouTube. It's called, what did I name it? Clueless Customs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I like that. So today, Dylan and I, first thing in the morning, this Lincoln MKZ. And for this job, come on, turn the camera on. Let's go.
Hold on, I'm promoting my YouTube.
That's going to cost you 25.
No, yeah.
25,000.
Okay. Go subscribe, please, and support the whatever it is.
Dylan also has a dog. He loves pets.
Yeah. I have
Come
a
on.
husky. What am I doing?
Turn the camera on.
I get to turn the camera on and stick it down the hole.
So we suspected after yesterday checking this car out that this may have some carbon buildup on the valves, and not a whole lot. And Jude works at Miller Ford, and he said that he remembers this car there recently. So now we're getting a look at the intake valves. Move the camera around a little bit. Not bang it, you dumbass. And I'll go on the other side.
See, this is the content that you'll get on my YouTube, except for it'll be funnier.
So you can see the buildup around the stem of the valve, and let me get something to point with. So what happens is, all this buildup that's on the valve stem here creates turbulence behind the valve, causes problems.
No,
Your airflow
shit.
path should be completely smooth. So that's one problem, plus the deposits on the valve, backside of the valve itself. So this job isn't that bad. Go to the next cylinder. Not so bad. It actually looks like possibly someone may have been doing an induction service on this. Keep going. And it's really hard to do an induction service and get to all the valves, okay? But you can see the buildup on the stem still. Go ahead. Yep. And that actually puts weight on the valves as well, which is not good for valve train. For the valve train.
What is that hole?
And you can see that there. So every cylinder valve is different. Keep going.
I want to see what this hole is. That does nothing.
Pull too far in. There you go. Pull back. So you can see the clunky chunkies build up on that one there. So yeah, keep going. And this is all from lack of maintenance. This car only has 100K on it, and where do you think the first 3 years, 36,000 miles of this life of this vehicle was spent at?
The dealership.
The dealership. You know who wasn't recommending the right services?
The dealership.
It's very possible they were recommending the services, and the customer was declining it.
Hi, camera.
But I think that if they just go into quick lane, they're not just getting the seasoned, experienced technician.
Straight through video right here.
You're getting the Dylan technician who's stripping your lug nuts out, over tightening your tires, leaving your wheels loose.
You're getting a Ryan. I'm having fun
Thanks for
with the
watching.
camera.